is for year 10 methods pathways. We're going to look at exercise 5.3, question 9. Okay, so we've got a swimming pool which is rectangular with two semicircle ends. Okay, so draw two shapes that make up the area of the swimming pool. Find this area correct to okay, so what's referring to is what's the overall shape if you look at it from space. Okay, so if you were a satellite, if you're looking down, what's the shape? The shape would be, looks like this, correct? Or you can be creative because this is a semicircle and this is a semicircle, so essentially you've got a circle and a rectangle in the middle. Okay, because if you split in half, you get the two bits at the end, okay, which is essentially what they're trying to infer here by draw two shapes that make up the area of the base triangle. Find the area correct to two decimal places. So the area is pretty easy. This is 3.5 and this is 3. The diameter of the circle happens to be 3, so the radius is 1.5. So the radius equals 1.5 for the circle. So the area of the combined two shapes would be the area of the circle, which is pi r, which is 1.5 squared, plus the area of rectangles 3 times 3.5. So let's work out what the area is of both the shapes, which is what the question is asking. So pi 1.5 squared plus 3 by 3.5. 17.5686. Okay, 17.5686. I'm trying to save as many decimal places as possible, just so that I don't lose accuracy. Now, that's the area of the cross section, okay, which is the whole thing. So find the volume of the pool in cubic meters, then calculate how many liters the pool will hold when it's full. Okay, so first thing first, let's calculate the volume of the pool in meters. So it's the volume. This is a prism, so it's a prism because if I cut this way, you'll still get that shape. Okay, if I slice you can think of it as cheese. If I slice it this way, you'll always get that shape. You always get that shape. Okay, I have to draw it very well, but you get the idea. So it's area times the height, volume. The area happens to be 17.58 5686, sorry, 5686 multiplied by the height. The height of the pool is 1.2. Okay, so let's work this out. We're going to multiply it by 1.2. So you should get 21.0823. Okay, so volume 21.0823 meters cubed. And we want to calculate how many liters the pool will hold. Now you note that 1 meters cubed is equivalent to 1,000 liters. Okay, so we've got this many meters cubed. So to convert it to liters, you just multiply your answer by 1,000. So volume is, let's check out, because everything's accurate on my calculator, all I need to do is multiply by 1,000, and to the nearest liter it's 21082. 21082 liters. So it says to the nearest liter. So again, this question isn't super complicated. It's just that you just need to realize that that's a semicircle, that's a semicircle. When you combine them together, you get a circle, and you got a rectangle in the middle. Okay, and you calculate the area of the the water surface, the surface area, and then you multiply it by the height to get the volume of the water or the prism. Okay, once you do that, you need to convert to liters. We know that 1 meters cubed is equivalent to 1,000 liters, so you multiply this by 1,000 to get your desired liters of water. Hopefully that helps.